unboxing again. I got the Transformer set. It's multiple things and it also makes noise. Watch. But it doesn't. And when you open this, it doesn't make noise either. But it comes with batteries and also it has this makes sounds when you pull this down, and then this goes down, and then this pulls down, and also a back side opens doors so you can put multiple cars in. Watch.
Wow.
And also watch this. I got a man, and also he spins his arms around and around, and also he has a crazy move he has, and also you can not kick him. He's a little stretchy. You can stretch his legs like Russian whatever, and also you can make him sit everywhere else like this. And also you can transform back to together, and that's how it. And then you wait for adventure, guys. Then let's go fight more. And thank you for watching my video. See you next time.